Díomh a chairde agus fáilte chuig Draglann. Show drag shot na Gaeilge le Misha Vernosta Kitty Ní Houlihán energia agus ars na Noel. Tá show den chéad sco a Gwendíomh Nocht le taimhóirí as gach cúra difriúil ag taispeán díomh dríocht an drag trí bheanna holtar airnig. Tá súgan bhfuil si ré. Déir hin gur 6 advocán na Gaeilge é seo, mar seo an chéad show drag riamh in Gaeilge. Réamh leo Jack nach Gaeil. Bhí dogus de híide ag gceannas den bhun advocán agus ba uachtar na haireann é, cuma. Cé gur bralam dogus de híide, cad me adbhfuil go bhfuil mé gafa leis an uachtarán atá gcuin inis. Michael D. Is glóteog é gan doubt. Agus chun magrá haispan dó, well inis gom conas is féidir le magrá haispan dó, seachas le haireann. Style se, camera, action.
While tearing off a game of golf, and they make a play for the caddy. But when I do follow through, 'cause my heart belongs to daddy. If I invite a boy some night to dine on my fine fit and hoodie, I just adore. He treats it so well.
Well, tásúla gom gur hatan an taispeántais cracáilte sin libh, agus an bhfuil si réad an chéad bhanrín eile. Is banrín ar álinn í agus ba í an chéad bhanrín a thugláh don nuair thosaigh mé drag. Iwer an lei is deliador ag tréinál í agus a rit na híthe is banrín galanta í. A chairde Gaeil tá spánagí bhar rá mar seo Tarte Law.
Dí goit Tarte Law sanam dom, Tommy McConey í Roscommon, is é gra an focail Gaeilge is fearlam mar tá sé an tábhachtach inniu.
You're irresistible. Don't need a love
Tarte Law, tús ítach é sin, agus is cláim de córs. Agus is léir gur fuair si an memo chun bandar go chathimh freisin, ach bhí si ag tuairt bhaibhna galanta agus táimid tuairt bhaibhna léirethóir cúla cair dearhin. Gurh míle Tarte Law. Is taimhar burlesque as bhailiacha lia í an chéad bhanrín eile agus glíga leir daoine an tedal Marilyn Monroe na hÉireann uirthi. A chairde Gaeilge, seo Aurora Divine.
Hi Chorja, is mise Aurora Divine, is fuairseoir burlesque agus drag mé agus feici sibh céim fá go bhfuil mé gléiste mar seo ar ballbeag. Is aslach garman ó thuúchas mé ach tá mo choní mai leabh clia inis. Is sé an frás a Gaeilge haíonn sa smúlum ná ar muinm wice tuisc gachhair deirtar é smuoine mar duine ar muinm wice agus ceapan bhfuil sé anna granbeir. Tásúla gom go datníonst mo het liv agus Becky Mayor Balshiv.
God, I'm glad I never think of that type of thing, Father. That whole sexual world. God, when you think of it, it's a dirty, filthy thing, isn't it, Father? Can you imagine, Father, looking up at your husband and him standing over you with his lead in his hand, wanting you to degrade yourself? God almighty, can you imagine that, Father? Can you picture it there, Father? Oh, get a good mental picture. See him there, ready to do the business.
I'm sorry. I was looking for Mrs. Doyle.
It is Mrs. Doyle.
What? I thought you were Marilyn Monroe.
Very interesting though, Father. At the weekends he's a swimming instructor in the pool, and he fought in Vietnam, and he's a former Mr. Universe, and he taught Elvis Presley how to play karate. If he could put his massive tool in my box. Father Harry Cake Lineham. Father Abula Conundrum. Father Pee-wee Stairmaster.
Nope.
Father Declan Lynch.
I'll give you a clue.
No, clues! I'll get it in a second. Tool. whole tea making thing.
Aurora bhí sin de crete agus go groundbreak leis an sketch Mrs. Doyle sin. Icónach. Well, bhí an bhirrte ionach is tús ionach é seo ach an bhfuil sin bhré I gcóir ceacht Gaeilge. Ach ná bhí bortha ní ceacht Gaeilge chasta é seo ach is léir go bhfuil termiachtaí difriúla a gcuin sa football drag nach míon úsáidte sa football Gaeilge. So, seo Carlum Chris Murphy aka Chris is Anam Dom tá sin seo chun ceirlibh leis an termiachtaí nua seo. So, a gcuine úsla seo Chris is Anam Dom!
What was the top shit show? Is this Chris? No, Chris is Anam Dom, Erlina. Ding! I want to live on ding. Mila. Perfect. Cosúla gachanga tá an Gaeilge ag ahrú sa látá nniu ann go háirtha leis an bubble drag. Agus leis seo, úsáid tír termiachta nua agus tám chun cúpla ceanna miniú díobh. Anis, fold breaker, no braille folk.
Wig, okay.
Wig, did you just say wig?
Yes.
I know, wig. I feel that already.
Sin é go díreach an grúig a chatníon banrín na drag agus na leit na seo is féidir go leor banrínacha a eáil nach gatníon réig fót. Iconic.
Wait, don't kill my vibe. Don't touch my weave.
Joey J, Sasha Valor, August, Darnoig, Angina. Agus Chris, cada in Kate Focal Ella. Well, tá Kate Focal Ella ná is cool.
Do you smell it? That smell. The kind of smelly smell. A smelly smell that smells smelly. Anchovies. What? Anchovies!
Úsáid tír an focal seo chun chuir síos a dhéanamh bhan rion cuma fear bhan
Perfect, you're beautiful, you look like Linda Evangelista, you're a model. Everything about you is perfect. Did you stone those tights? Oh, you're smiling.
Tá sí go hálan agus sí ag tabhairt bhana nar dútha lena smuidú.
Started as a term that meant that you were so real that you can smell the fishiness of a vagina.
Disgusting!
It's cool. Tá sí a tour de tilapia or.
Just got off the boat, you know, a little trip from Asia, just landed like fresh tilapia.
An héad focal ela ná? Sá. Cílíonn an focal seo, chéad. Agus, úsáid tír é chun rud éigin suaire ach granmhar a rá, mar seo.
I call shade.
An bhfuil siad break chun scá chaithimh? Níos agam.
Girl, the shade of it all.
Agus tá an focal ela a gcuin, a níos cosúil leis an focal sin, agus is áideacht é seo. Scáthúil. Okay.
But what I don't agree with and what I think you're very shady about...
It's not shady if it's true.
You said that...
Agus, you started here an audio show chun na bhan rianacha ag cátham scáth go minic.
But I do like a little bit of shade.
Ná bí scáthúil, bí banúil.
You shady lady!
Agus an focal dearnach fantasy talk. Call Mariah Carey. Níl sin seo? Slán.
You know what? I'm very forgetful.
Má déanann tú drag, cáta tú fantasyíocht a cruthú le a steel drag. Cén sort fantasyíocht? Executive realness? Íosc ór? Spás idir fás? Déanamíocht, okay? Déanamíocht. Now, you know what?
You wanna know what? No, I am gonna leave.
Agus má dhéanann tú job ionach mar mise, féiceir seo, é suas anis. Agus mar dhéanaan tú job má bheith gach duine ag motha na fantasíocht ag mothú é.
I was good, girl. Let me tell you something. When it comes to me and living in my world in this little coconut head that I got, it's a lot of fantasies. And when I feel the fantasy, it is my reality. And nobody can change that.
Yeah. Huh? Oh, well, sin gach rud Tásúla gom go ólam sibh rud éigean nua ó na termíochtaí seo. Slán, ethic mé ar má balls who?
Is léir gur thug sé an fantasíocht dúin leis an bhí sin, gurb míle maithagad Chris. Mas banrí na Gaeilge mé, well déir hin gan daut gur eise anrí. Anis táiméid boga chuig an ír phríomhchathair, cúntaí an rebelúnach, chun bula le banrín úthal agus cara lom, Ernta bín si gléiste mar Marge Simpson, nó Ernta bín si ag serval pure camp ag House of Machia. Seo an bhan grin galanta, Krystal Queer.
Díomh corda, nGaeilge is Mr. Krystal Queer, tá mé ina cónaí ag Corcaig, agus tá frása is fearlam as Gaeilge na ar nós na Gaeilge. Tá mé super fast. Bye bye. Oh, no. Sloan. I knew it.
I'm looking at her bridesmaid and she looking back at me. And when the server sends her, ask her if she wants a lift. I back to the hotel and if it goes well, finger on a shift. She says Fitzy tries a mincy and he offered me a spin. And I have a hand eye, so I might just go with him. And Darren gave me said he'd bring me in his Subaru. So what the fuck would make you think I'd wanna go with you? I said fuck your Honda Civic, drive a horse outside. Fuck your Subaru, I have a horse outside. And fuck your Mitsubishi, I have a horse outside. If you're looking for a ride, I have a horse outside. Get it up now, baby. Get it up, get it up. Get it up, but you go back up, baby. Get it up, but you own it, don't it. Get it up, I know you're about to get it right. So get it up, get it up, get it up, but you get it up. Yeah. Chicken and boat fine. You wanna know Silla? I'm gonna take you out to Mullingar.
Mahu Krystal Yawis. Bhí an taispeánta sin la Craculture agus la Galanta. Tom Goffa Latsa. Gur mí mágad Krystal. Anis tá banrín gearnach na híthe gwen bronach tá is ach tá neart taithí a cí drag mar bhú sí an chéad bheta the Queen of Captivity cúpla mío hin agus le Jamie thosaigh si a show féin dorb anam Disco Utopia. Déag mé agus bhí sé dochreite. Agus mátha ein cheisna na mátha ein aiban agad is í an bhanrín furfa chun ceirí liv. A Tarte Gael, seo Annie Queeries.
Díomh chunastá sibh is Misha Annie Queeries. Ania Kestine. Tom os balia fib, balia al clia, agus an frasa is farlam as Gaeilge na Gothaban. Mar go sé cho dramatúil.
And sometimes I watch you passing through my dreams. And sometimes when I look at you, you take my breath away. Sometimes I try and understand your reasons. You choose to feel the way you feel about me. And sometimes when I turn around and you're there like today, I wanna say, why me? I look at you and I get to feeling, why me? I know it's true, but I can't believe it. I keep on wondering why my love shines in your eyes. Why me? I look at you and I ask myself, why me? Sometimes I lie awake and watch you sleeping and listen to the beating of your heart. And sometimes when you're lying there, you take my breath away. And I wanna say,
Irlandais du support, 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 Irlandais du support.
why me? I look at you and I get to feeling, why me? I know it's true, but I can't believe it. I keep on wondering why my love shines in your eyes. Why me? I look at you and I ask myself, why me? Why me?
Bring the bus Annie Queeries, ba hashpantas cruhiag é sin agus tam gafalat. Agus beagnín aidver den grua sin. I chucked him a gig? Derura? Tell me maga. Well, suller greeting which cog me roger lair on show shaw, gur féidir live an gwelga I'm shoot in York Arch, sa football drag, agus sa football gwelga. Ach, is changa idir na siúnta í an gwelga, cuma sa lá tan yuan. Con tashban é seo díobh chruthg mé an fisean seo. Bhí mé I deagfa le go leor daoine atá ina gcónaí thar lár agus a leironn siad gwelga. So, fake a year seo.
Seachtain na Gaeilge Siaradíh agus fáilte chuig Ottawa, Canada. Tá Gaeilge beo an seo.
Tá Gaeilge beo in Ankara.
Tá Gaeilge beo an seo in Bologna.
Tá Gaeilge beo in Brisbane.
Tá Draglann beo sa Brisbane.
Tá Gaeilge beo a Gabhán san Africás.
Tá Gaeilge beo I Chicago.
Tá Draglann beo in a bhaigh go lún na Gearmáine.
An Gaeilge beo an soy boblach na Sice.
Tá Gaeilge beo in Eindhoven.
Tá Gaeilge beo I Clermont-Ferrand ran.
Gaeilge beo in Ho Chi Minh City.
Tá Gaeilge beo I Barros.
Tá an Gaeilge beo I Helsinki.
Tá Gaeilge in Israel. An Gaeilge beo in Seo in Liverpool.
Tá an Gaeilge beo fós Madrid.
Tá Gaeilge beo in Melbourne. Tá Gaeilge beo in Iran. Tá Gaeilge beo sa Fálan.
Tá Gaeilge beo I Qatar.
Tá Gaeilge beo I Rio de Janeiro.
Tá Gaeilge beo I Split sa Chráid.
Tá I Chárta go Chúilship, tá Gaeilge Bob River an Sas an Elvis.
Tá Gaeilge beo I Texas.
Tá Gaeilge beo sa Brandenburg.
Tá Gaeilge beo I Singapore.
Tá an Gaeilge beo in Massachusetts.
Tá Gaeilge beo I London.
Tá Gaeilge beo sa Danmhairg.
Tá Gaeilge beo I Nua-Iarracht.
Gurh míle ag gach duine bhí páirteach san níos sin, bhí níos mó ná 50 tír san áras níos sin, an greidig si bhéh sin do chreide tá is am. Cé gur é seo críoc an seo, ní hé seo críoc an sprí, ba dúisina na bucan ar leathanach Instagram ars na Noel, seodra ó Kiwi agus Darvan €2 ó Chloe Did My Nails. Sheáil amach Sin gaprid wem gurb mí amachgribh as túlan is teach chuig Draglann a nocht an chéad show drag trí Gaeilge, agus gurb mí amach gach taimhór a bhí páirteach sa show. Tásúil gon gur bhain sibh ansult as an show, agus Beiidir ba show eile le teacht sa Turkey. Oh, sulla Greeknian witch cach mé níor haispan mé magúna díobh agus chuirtatá air. Dú an bhfuil sibh ré don show. Well, tá sé beag nach déanaach do sin ach tá sugam go raibh sibh ré. Sin gaprid wem gur bhí amach agus Kitty Ní Houlihán. Póga!
Show me